DJI has a habit of dropping teasers that get the entire tech and creator community talking, and they've done it again. Just recently, DJI posted a new mysterious teaser for an upcoming product, showing nothing more than a dark silhouette and a launch time. And as always, that's more than enough to spark speculation. This time, the announcement is officially set for January 6, 2026 at 8 p.m. Beijing time, which is 7 a.m. Pacific and 10 a.m. Eastern. Along with the teaser, DJI added a simple but powerful tagline in Chinese, "Xiao Tiji, Da Xili," which translates to small volume, great power. That single line already tells us a lot. When you look closely at the teaser image, the shape feels familiar. It doesn't look like a drone, it doesn't resemble a gimbal, and it's definitely not pointing toward a new pocket camera. Instead, the boxy silhouette strongly resembles DJI's existing power systems, and based on multiple visual clues, certifications, and leaks, it's now very clear that this product is the DJI Power 1000 Mini. In simple terms, this looks like a backpack-sized power station designed for creators who need serious power without carrying a heavy brick. Here at the new camera, we love these kinds of drops, especially when they're backed by paperwork. The DJI Power 1000 Mini has already cleared FCC certification under the ID 11805A DY1000, along with Chinese CCC filings. That's a big deal because it confirms this product is real, tested, and ready for global markets. Even with the recent DJI registration restrictions after December 23rd, this one is safe since its FCC approval was completed earlier. That means it can legally be sold in the US, and there's no retroactive ban holding it back. The teaser itself is a short 15-second AI-generated clip showing a black box, which confused some people at first. But let's be honest, DJI wasn't trying to hide a drone in there. The branding, the wording, and the timing all point clearly to the power lineup. With the original DJI Power 1000 already known as a reliable but heavy unit, this mini version looks like DJI's answer to creators who want portability without sacrificing performance. Leaks from Chinese certification databases and trusted tipsters like Quadro News further seal the deal. The model number DY1000 is rated for around 800 watts of output using LiFePO4 battery cells that are known for long life, often rated for over 3,000 charge cycles. That means this isn't just powerful, it's built to last. The inputs are expected to include AC charging up to 1,000 watts, solar-ready DC inputs, and USB-C power delivery for fast-charging modern devices. On the output side, you're looking at multiple AC ports, high-wattage USB-C ports, USB-A for accessories, and DJI's own SDC port for ecosystem integration. Size is where this thing really shines. Leaks suggest it could weigh somewhere between 5 to 7 kilograms, with a volume under 10 liters. That puts it firmly in the ultra-portable category and potentially carry-on friendly for travel. Add in quiet operation, app-based monitoring through the DJI app, and a North American 120-volt variant, and it starts to feel like this was designed specifically for filmmakers, drone pilots, and on-the-go creators. And by the way, a quick special thanks to Igor Bogdanov for the images used in this video. His visuals really help make sense of the teasers and leaked details we're talking about here. What's exciting is how this Mini bridges the gap in DJI's lineup. The original Power 1000 is powerful but heavy, while smaller power banks often don't deliver enough output for serious gear. The Power 1000 Mini seems to sit right in the sweet spot, offering enough power for cameras, laptops, drones, and even small appliances, all while staying compact. So for now, that's everything we know about the DJI Power 1000 Mini ahead of its January 6, 2026 launch. And honestly, 2026 is shaping up to be a huge year for DJI. Alongside this, we're still expecting products like the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI's rumored 360 camera, the DJI Mobile 8P gimbal, and many more. Many of these have already cleared FCC hurdles, which means they're likely coming to the US as well. DJI's Power lineup reportedly saw massive growth in 2025, and launching a mini version makes perfect sense. It fills a real need in the ultra-portable power space while keeping creators powered wherever they go. As always, we'll keep sharing updates as soon as new information drops. Stay tuned, because DJI is clearly just getting started.